Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KK Tech Solutions. In this video, I am going to explain you how to make a call as a private number. So when you call anyone, your number won't be displayed. In place of your mobile number, it will be displayed as private number. So let's get started. Open your phone icon in your mobile. Here you can see three dots. I'm just clicking on three dots. I'm going to my call log settings. So here in settings, I'm going to calling account settings. I'm selecting my SIM card for which I want to make as private number. Here I am going to additional settings. Here you can see caller ID option, just click on that. Here you need to select hide number option. So when you select hide number option, so when you call anyone other than your contacts, your number will be displayed as private number. In all phones the settings won't be same. In some phones you can see when you enter settings you can see additional settings. After going to additional settings you can see caller ID option. From there you can select hide number option. Based on different Android versions and different phones the settings may vary. Mostly you need to go to your call settings, and after the call settings you need to go to additional settings, and then you need to select caller ID, and there you need to click on hide number. So when someone don't know your mobile number or didn't save your contact, then only it will be displayed as private number. When your mobile number is already saved as contact, then it won't be displayed as private number. It will be displayed with whatever the name they save in their phone. It will be displayed with that name only. So I hope the video is useful. If the video is helpful to you, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.